Broski Lil Nightcat coming at you with a brand new reaction video, and today we're going to be reacting to this new video on Worldstar's YouTube channel. It is by 3 Deep, Grimmey, and NWM Murdaa. It's called Early Birds, official music video. This is about to be really cool, I think, and the last time I reacted to a Worldstar, it was, I think, Will the General and DaBaby, and then it was also Sada Baby. Yeah, so go check those videos out in, well, not the description, but, you know, just go watch them on my channel. And, yeah, thank you guys for all your support you show me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok also, because I post on all of those every day. And let's get this video going. I know this is about to be really cool, but 3, 2, 1, play. Alright. Let's see. Is this gonna deliver?
If Drew didn't film it, then it ain't filmed right.
Drew's a good guy. I've seen tons of his videos that he's made, and they're all good. Haven't heard of either of these guys, so all brand new to me. And the picture had to crop him out. That was cool. I guess they shot this in on the side of like some random building or something. That's cool though. I'm digging this so far. His verse is getting fire as the song goes on. Straight fact.
Like what's the play? Goofies tried to box me in. How they found out where I stay? My bumpers don't play with pistols. My bumpers hop out with K. My bumpers gon' press the issue. My bumpers gon' shoot for day. You a first, you get the one. That shit I learned from my daddy. Say you won't smoke this.
I like how this guy raps. He's just kind of like, he's going with the flow, but he's delivering at the same time. Like he's chilling. He's not going too loud or anything like that, but you can definitely understand everything. What's that tat? Fucking crazy. I couldn't get a stomach tat. I can only get like upper arm. I like that. Phone calls anymore. Word. It's crazy with the guns, though. Holy shit. But yeah, I definitely like that. Both of those guys, I like their flow. How like they didn't scream or anything like that. Like they were kind of like chilled out when they were rapping. But the verses definitely got way crazier as the song went on. And yeah, once again, good flow by the two of them. Good song in general. And yeah, whatever you guys thought, please comment down below. And whatever you guys want me to react to, please comment that also down below. I got you. You already know that. Thank you for all your support. It's the least I could do is help you guys out on Snapchat. Shout out for shout out. I can't say it enough. Please hit me up on there. Seriously. Like, help me grow my Snapchat views, and I'll help you grow your views. Is it a deal? But you guys are the best, and I'll definitely catch you in the next one. Peace!